In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit vintage style and also give you guys some tips on editing vintage photos. What's up guys, and before you continue this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also remember to turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I edited this image and maybe give you guys some tips on how to edit and color grade vintage style, this particular style. So now, for this image in particular, this is the before and after. I'm going to screen show how I got these tones, these nice vintage tones, just give you guys a little tips on how this is edited. Now before I continue, I just want to let you guys know that this particular preset is available in my new Lightroom preset pack. It's a pack of 10 presets including this one. There are a bunch of various other presets in my pack, so you guys can purchase the preset. Link is in the description below. So let's begin. Now for this particular image, I increase the temperature a bit because I just wanted it to be that warm tones, give that warm style, give that warmth in the image. I just like making my image warmer while working with dark skin. This enables the skin color to pop out more in the image. So on this particular image, I just increase the exposure a bit, so not much adjustments were made here. A little bit of clarity and this bit of vibrance. So most times when working with vintage style, it's really more of a desaturated look. But I was like, you know what, let me go the other way around for this image. So I made it more of a vibrance. I went for more of a vibrance feel for this particular one, but then it still gives it these peculiar tones as well. So right here is my tone curve. This is where most of the toning is done. But for my tone curve here, most of what I did was added blue to the highlights, and then as it's vintage, you always need some of that fade, bring my highlights down and bring my whites up. So this is before the tone curve, after the tone curve. So this is where most of the coloring work is done. So if you download this preset, you can study it and learn more on how I color graded and created this preset. Now on my HSL panel, there's a lot of color removal. So I brought down the yellows, brought down the orange and reds a bit. I just didn't want the colors to be too much, so I like mute the yellows, so there's not too much yellow in the image, because I did that most of my editing, because I always like my yellows down. I don't like sometimes the yellows always distracting, so I just bring it down for a more cleaner look in the image. And for this my hue, I brought it down, the hue of my green, I brought it down to -100 to give that, if there are any greens around the image, so you're going to get that that yellowy type of greens in the image. And for my blues, I brought it down a bit towards that teal look in the highlights, or anywhere the blue is around. For my split toning, I use this sort of shade of, I don't know what to really call this, but it's kind of like a shade of green, but it's not too much. So those greens, little greens in the highlight. So more adjustments were done in my camera calibration, but I won't go over here right now. So if you want to learn more on this, learn more about this effect, you can download my preset. It's in my preset pack. The first link in the description below, you can get the preset. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.